Today we are going to start with Photoshop. In the previous week we had finished MSSS. All of you had done the exercise, but a few of you only sent me the fair copies for the exercise question answers. All of you send your fair copies today, otherwise I will not be able to check it. Okay? जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक कॉपीज सेंड नहीं करी है, अपनी होमवर्क कॉपी पीडीएफ फाइल सेंड नहीं करी है, all of you will send your copies today. Okay, and today we are going to start with Photoshop. All of you had done Photoshop, so I will start with a few question answers. What do you mean by Photoshop? Why we use it? Anybody who can answer? All of you had done the Photoshop. A few tools you had learned in the previous classes also. What is Photoshop? Anyone? Raise your hand or unmute yourself. Yes, Avarish. What is Photoshop? Good.
Yes, madam. Photoshop is an app which we can enhance the quality of images that of photos which we have taken.
Okay. Anyone else? Correct. Photoshop is a.
Ma'am, we can modify.
Okay. Anyone else who wants to add anything? What do you mean by Photoshop or why we use it? What are the various uses of Photoshop? Yes, Anjani, Simar, Jasmine, Apul, Adish, anyone? Only one student had given answer. All of you had done Photoshop in the previous class. What is Photoshop? Apul, unmute yourself and say the answer in the class. I can read it in the chat, all of you, but you can also say the answer in the class.
Ma'am, Photoshop is an editing software used to edit, cut, and smooth the picture, and it is commonly used by photographers.
Okay, correct. Photoshop is a photo editing tool, a photo editing tool that can editing application or software that can be used to edit your photographs, right? So, anybody? Okay, let's begin with. The version which we are going to use is CS3, which is given in your books. You can have any version, CS3 or CS6 or a CC. After that, after CS version, there were the CC versions are available. So you can have any version. Anybody who can give me the full form of CS? What is the full form of CS in CS3? Adobe Photoshop CS3. Anybody who knows what is the full form of CS? Nobody? किसी को नहीं पता Photoshop का क्या मीनिंग है? CS का what is the use of CS? Computer science, creating software, computer science, no. No. Yes, Taranya is right. It is a creative suite. CS3 version, CS means creative suite. Okay. Full form of CS is creative suite. Okay. Now, who developed Photoshop? Who developed Photoshop? First of all, what is Photoshop? Photoshop is the most popular graphic editing program developed by Adobe Systems, and it is widely used by graphic artists, web developers, or photographers. Okay, this you had already told me. Now, anybody who can give me who had developed Photoshop? What are the names of the developers of the Photoshop?
Ma'am, Thomas Knoll.
Okay, Thomas Knoll and
John Knoll.
John Knoll. Okay, you are right, but आपके बेटा Ananya, you had written wrong spellings. Okay, it was developed by Thomas Knoll and John Knoll. They are two brothers. They had developed the Photoshop. It was developed by two brothers in 1987, Thomas Knoll and John Knoll. They sold it to Adobe company. That is a distributed the distribution license. They had given the distribution license to Adobe System Incorporated in 1988. And after that, Photoshop 1.10 that was released, that version was released in February 1990 for Macintosh exclusively. That means the Apple के जो laptops आते हैं, जो Macintosh operating system है, उसके लिए आपके लिए exclusively एक version develop किया गया, release किया गया, that was Photoshop 1.0. And then in 1993, Adobe Chief Architect Sita Raman Narayan ported Photoshop to Microsoft Word. For Microsoft Word, it was developed in, it was released in 1993. In 1990, it was used for only Macintosh, and in 1993, it was developed for Microsoft Windows. Are you finding it in your books? You can make your notes. Okay? Okay. What are the various features of Photoshop? क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? क्या important features हैं Photoshop के जो इसको exclusive बना रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये बहुत ज़्यादा popular है? What are the various features it is providing us so that it is very popular among all the photographers and all the individuals and companies for editing the photographs? Anyone? क्या important है इसमें? क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो खास है जो बाकियों में नहीं है? Yes?
Yes. It is used to edit and enhance photos or videos and make them look very attractive.
Okay. Anyone else? और क्या feature है?
Ma'am, removing people from an image.
हाँ जी? Say it again.
Removing people from an image.
Removing unwanted parts. Okay, removing unwanted parts from the image. Okay. Okay.
Drawing on an image with a pen or pencil.
Very good. We can draw the image, we can draw the effects, we can apply the various effects. Correct. Very good. Okay, what are the various features? First of all, it is a very user-friendly interface. Anybody can use it easily. Menu bars, title bars are a working area is given, tools are given. It provides a very user-friendly interface so that it is easy to use for everyone. Second, photo editing in lesser time. Many features are available such that we can do the editing in a very less time, less amount of time. It is a take less time to edit the photographs. Next, powerful tools to enhance the colors of an image. We can change the colors of the image. We can enhance. अगर आपकी low quality photography है, अगर आप उसकी quality को improve करना चाहते हो, उसके colors को change करना चाहते हो, enhance करना चाहते हो, you can do. Crop or resize the image without losing its quality. Then it can also provide the tools for removing the unwanted parts from the image. Okay. Then further up, create graphics for web applications.
Adding text.
Reduced file size. Reduced file size is very important because image photographs or picture photographs take a lot of space in our computer memory. They are heavy. ठीक है, उनका फाइल साइज ज्यादा होता है. And Photoshop provides us the features for providing graphics, for creating graphics with reduced file size. With the minimum file size, it provides us the feature to we can create graphics with less memory. फाइल साइज कम होता है, कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Next is usage of layers. Layers all of you know. Flash में भी use करी थी. What are layers? Yes, anybody? What are layers? Had you used them in Flash? Or last year in Photoshop? Okay, but the layers are the transparent sheets that can be stacked on the top of each other. They provide us to deal with the individual parts of the image separately. अगर हमने एक ही इमेज में कोई फोटो एडिटिंग कर रहे हैं, कोलाज बना रहे हैं, we are inserting so many images, different images, and if we want to edit each and individual image separately without affecting the other, we can use the layers. On each layer, we will place the separate image and we can do the editing and they can overlap each other. Okay, the usage of layer is provided. A layers feature is available in Photoshop so that you can individual parts of the image or individual sections of the image or individual portions of the image can be edited individually without affecting the other parts. We will learn how to use the layers in this class. ठीक है, आपके syllabus में है layers. You will learn. Okay, next feature is
बारिश मैम की आवाज आ
okay. Everyone,
No.
yes. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये सब आपकी आवाज
Okay. Now we are going to learn what are the various components of Photoshop. Okay, this is the photo. Okay, this is the Photoshop window. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the Photoshop window, what are the various components? Yes, Akul, what are the various components in Photoshop window?
Ma'am, the tools palette.
Tools palette. This is on the left hand side that you can see. This is the tools palette. Okay, you can hide or unhide. You can click on this double arrow to unhide it or make it in a single row. Then you can expand it, collapse and expand it. In the top, we will have the menu bar in which
Title
we are
bar.
having the various pull down menu. Various pull down menus are there. You can use these menus to work in the photographs. You can have the various options to use the with the photographs in these menus. And below the menu bar, there is this bar. What is the name of this bar? What is the name of the bar below the menu bar?
Ma'am, context menu.
Context menu or option bar. Okay, context menu or option bar. This is the options bar in which the various options are given for the selected tool. Whatever tool we select, options related to that tool are available in this option bar. These options change every time we change the tool. Whatever tool we select, suppose मैं crop tool यहाँ पे select कर रही हूँ, here the different options are there. If I select the shapes tool, gradient tool, it will have the various different options. If I select on this stamp tool, it will have various different options. So this is an option bar which will display the various options related to the particular tool. Whatever tool I select in the tools palette, options related to that tool will be available in the option bar. Okay, on the right hand side, what is the name of this area which is on the right hand side? What is the name of this
Panel.
area? Yes, Lavish.
Palette.
Palettes.
Panel.
These are called palettes.
अच्छा
These are
पहले
called palettes, or what is the other name of palettes?
पैनल
What is the other name of palettes? Yes. These also provide options according to the area or according to the portion we had selected. Here we are having the colors. Presently we are having the colors. We are having layers, paths, channels. Layers palette is there. Adjustment palette is there. Colors palette is there. Presently we can see three palettes. By default, three palettes are there. Colors palette, adjustment palette, and layers palette. Palettes are also floating. These are the floating palettes. We can move them from one location to another. We can move them like this. Okay, these are the palettes. Palettes are floating. You can adjust them by clicking on Windows menu and adjust them. Okay, can you tell me what are the various tools which we had learned in the previous class? कौन-कौन से tools आपने last time किए हैं?
Ma'am, selection and crop tools.
Okay, How many
Marquee
selection tools you
tool.
had done? How many selection tools you had done?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Okay. कौन से?
Ma'am, marquee
Quick
tool,
selection.
Correct.
move tool,
Move tool.
crop tool.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, how will you open an image in Photoshop?
Ma'am,
How will
file
you
menu export.
file
Ma'am,
menu
yes.
export?
Export.
Okay. Export. Are you
Ma'am,
sure it is
import.
import? Okay. Video frames to layers. यहाँ पे भी image की कोई option नहीं है बेटा import में. आपने लास्ट ईयर फोटोग्राफ्स को एडिट किया है, आपने टूल्स यूज किए हैं. हाउ यू ओपन और प्लेस एन इमेज इन फोटोशॉप? देयर आर टू मेथड्स टू इंसर्ट एन इमेज.
File menu place option.
Okay, very good, Samiksha. File menu place option is used to place an image on this is the working area. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between file menu open option and file menu place option? This is very important. File menu open option and file menu place option. Samiksha has said that we can import an
Ma'am.
image, we can click on file menu, place option, we can choose an image, click on place. That image is placed. Okay? Now I'm going to click on file menu, open option. Again, open dialog box is there. I'm selecting an image. Now, what is the difference? Again, image has been opened. Two files are there now. One file is here in which I had placed an image. One file is here in which I had opened an image. What is the
मैम वो
difference?
उसमें प्लेस में मैम वो सिर्फ प्लेस करते हैं मैम, और ओपन में वो सारा जो वर्किंग एरिया होगा, वर्क स्पेस होता है मैम, वो सारा आई मीन
Okay.
कवर.
अगर प्लेस में भी अगर फाइल का साइज मेरा वैसा होता जो मेरा स्टेज को कवर कर सकता तो वो पूरी स्टेज यहाँ भी कवर हो जाती. That is not a difference. Okay, listen. When we click on the file menu open option and when we open the image, ठीक है, whenever we open a new file, suppose मेरे पास एक blank file है, ठीक है, there is a new file, I can give a name to the new file, suppose it is my new file, then we can specify the size of the stage. हमारा जो stage है, जो background है, उसका color और उसका stage हम size set करते हैं. By default it is given 800 by 600. अगर आपको अपनी इमेज को इंक्रीज करना है, साइज इंक्रीज करना है, मुझे बड़ा कोलाज बनाना है, या कोई इमेज ऐसी है जो ज्यादा बड़ी है, तो आई कैन इंक्रीज द साइज, आई कैन डिक्रीज द साइज. देन देयर आर कलर मोड्स, RGB color modes, bitmap color mode, grayscale color mode, CMYK and lab color. There are various color modes available. By default, we are using the RGB color mode. Background content, that is white. I'm choosing white चाहिए, background color चाहिए, या transparent चाहिए. If I choose the background color, I can choose the color. जो यहाँ पर आपके पास tools palette में ये background color आ रहा है, यहाँ पे जो selected है, that color will be selected. Otherwise, you can have the white and you can click on OK. Now, whenever there is a new file in the layers panel, you will see there is a background. Background is written by default. One background layer is there in which all the objects will be treated. Background layer is written here. See here, background white color में right side पे नजर आ रही है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये background layer आ रही है. When I open an image, जब मैं image को open करती हूँ, what happen कि जो मेरी background image है, background layer है, आपकी जो image है वो उस layer पे है, background वाली layer cover कर रही है, कोई new layer नहीं आ रही है. It is on the background layer. This becomes the background, you can say. कि this image has become the background. ठीक है, when we open an image, but when we place an image, see, when we place an image here, background layer is different, and the image that we had placed, that is placed at the top of that background. This is in the different layer. This image which we had inserted, that is placed on a different new layer, and I can move it whenever I want. मैं इसको select करके इसको move कर सकती हूँ. I can move it because this is a separate object. This becomes an object on a different layer. ये मेरा एक अलग object है, different layer पे है. Background is different. This image is different on a different layer. But when we open an image, then it becomes a background. ये कोई object नहीं है, ये background बन गई है. This image has become a background in the background layer. Same layer पे. Now again, I'm showing you. This is the place. I had placed an image on the background layer. Now there are two layers in your project. One background layer, one is your image layer that you had inserted. I can deal it with separately. मैं इसको select करके इसको use कर सकती हूँ, इसको resize कर सकती हूँ, इसको move कर सकती हूँ, इसको place कर सकती हूँ कहीं भी. I can resize it. ठीक है? But I cannot resize or I cannot deal it separately if I open an image. Difference is clear? Yes, Samiksha, Akul, Arish, Harmanpal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when we
Yes,
open
ma'am.
an image, that will become your background. That will be opened in the background layer. That will become your background. Okay, but when we place an image, that is in the separate layer, different layer पर आ रही है, अलग object है, I can manipulate it differently. If I place more images, you can see, if I place more images on this, they will also become a separate layer. Now see, in the layers panel, there are three layers now. One is the background layer, one is the ये जो roses वाली picture है, उसकी layer अलग से आ रही है, and the picture that I had just inserted, इसकी layer अलग से आ रही है. I can resize it. I can place it anywhere. And after placing it or after resizing it, how will you remove this handle? Transformation handles कैसे remove करते हैं? How you remove the these transformation handles? By pressing the
double click.
enter key. By pressing the enter key. Okay. Now this has been placed here. Now if you want to deal with, now अगर मैं इस पे click कर रही हूँ, अब मेरी roses वाली image move ही नहीं कर रही है, मेरी सिर्फ ये image move कर रही है. क्यों? Because in the layers panel,
मैम वो layers में वो selected
Ma'am,
है.
that image is selected.
हाँ, so now if I click on this roses layer, मैं अगर दूसरी layer पे click करूँगी, now I can move this by using the move handle. Now it is not moving. That means layers help you. I told you in the features, layers are the transparent sheets that help us to deal with different objects in the project separately without affecting the other object. अब मैं जो भी editing करूँगी या जो भी selection करूँगी, जो भी color change करूँगी, वो सिर्फ इस image के होंगे. इस image पे कोई effect नहीं आएगा उसका. Okay? Image menu,
Ma'am?
you can have, yes.
मैम जो ओपन वाली इमेज है उसको हम एडिट भी नहीं कर पाएंगे.
कौन सी? नहीं, वो बैकग्राउंड वाली इमेज को, बैकग्राउंड को जैसे इतना एडिट कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ उतना करेंगे. सिलेक्शन कर सकते हैं उसमें, कट उसमें सिलेक्शन हो सकती है, रिमूव हो सकता है एरिया सिलेक्शन करने के बाद. ठीक है?
ओके.
ओके, उसमें सिलेक्शन हो सकती है. वी कैन यूज द सिलेक्शन टूल लाइक दिस. I can select it, I can delete the selected area like this. But all the work has been done in the background. ये सिर्फ आपकी background है. इसके ऊपर आप और images place कर सकते हो. You can place more images here. ठीक है? I can again click on file menu. I can click on place, and I can place more images at the top of it. Suppose we are taking some. ठीक है, अगेन ये इमेज का साइज इतना है. आई कैन कवरिंग द फुल साइज ऑफ द स्टेज. आई एम रिड्यूसिंग इट. आई कैन प्लेस इट. नाउ इट इज प्लेस्ड एट द टॉप ऑफ बैकग्राउंड. नाउ यू कैन सी इन द बैकग्राउंड व्हाइट नहीं है, बैकग्राउंड में आपके पास लोटस फ्लावर आ रहा है, एंड एट द टॉप ऑफ दैट आई हैड प्लेस्ड अनदर इमेज. ठीक है, placement always places the image on a separate layer. Opens the image as a background. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question till now? Any question till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
had you set
ma'am.
set the properties for the new file? Last year, had you set the properties for the new file?
No,
Suppose
ma'am.
I had
No.
given the new, okay? I'm clicking on the new option. A new dialog box is there. You can give the name to the file. Then you can set the, I told you, you can set the stage. Here, stage size is given in pixels. You can check inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, and columns. These are the various units for measuring the size of the stage. If I'm taking it as inches, suppose मुझे 4/6 की कोई image बनानी है या collage बनाना है 12/15 का, तो I can take it as images and I can give it size. Suppose मुझे यहाँ पे 20/15 का कोई collage बनाना है, मैंने वो stage का size ले लिया, then I can click on OK. Now this is a different size stage. आपका size stage का size different आएगा. Every time you can have a different size of the stage depending on the size of the output that you want. आपको क्या output चाहिए? That you can give here. जैसे यहाँ पे भी pixels में आ रहा है 1920/1020. ठीक है, अगर आपको मेजर कर सकते हो पिक्सल्स में तो पिक्सल्स में कर लो, इंचेस में करना है इंचेस में कर लो, सेंटीमीटर्स में करना है सेंटीमीटर्स में कर लो. आई एम सीकिंग इट एज सपोज 4/5, सपोज 4/6 inches. You can have the background content as background color. Click on OK. A new file has been created with this size that you had given and the background color, which is already selected here. There are two colors, foreground color and background colors. Foreground color that is used for drawing with the help of pencil and background color is used for filling the area. Suppose I am changing the color. Okay, that will not affect it now because it is created by using the background color which is already had been selected. जो पहले से selected है वही background color यहाँ पे आ रहा है. Clear? Select the background color, then click on file menu, new option. Then you can have the background color here and a different size. Click on OK. That will create this size with the new background. Clear? Okay, we will start with the section various that means various categories of the tools and the selection tools tomorrow. Okay, what are the various categories of the tools and what are the various selection tools? We will start with one tool or two tools and we will continue with that. How did color change? I changed the color, beta. I changed the background color. Then I selected the file menu, new option, and in that dialog box, I chose the background color. Okay? Okay.